Students, welcome to our first classes, and this is Delhi School of Economics 2019 Solutions Section 2, or you can call it Part 2 as well. Okay, so this one we have a random variable here. It's a stat-based question. Number of successes in a sequence of an independent trials, and the probability P is of success. X bar, obviously mean of the successes, what we know about X bar is the approximator. So this is about, here we can say one thing, that if x1 x2 xn be in random samples here like this, drawn from a population with this mean here. Okay, if the mean is mu of the population and the finite variance is sigma square, and if sigma n is a sample mean, then we can say that z equal to limit n tends to infinity root n xn minus mu by sigma. Okay, so this gives a standard normal distribution from this structure, and this theorem is called the CLT, or central limit theorem. From this theorem directly we can say that, so this actually approximates the normal distribution with mean P. So the mean is P with the probability value, so option number 1 is correct. Let's go to the next one, 12. Okay, this is scenario based problem. This we will encounter with all the questions together. Okay, but still, as we are encountering, I'm just giving you a solution hint here. So trader 1 endowed with 100 identical left shoes, okay, and trader 2 endowed with 99 identical right shoes. So one shoe is having a problem. So each trader utility from her allocation of shoes, okay, and allocation of shoes, trader 1 and 2 trade shoes in competitive markets and arrive at a competitive equilibrium. Assume that shoes are infinitely divisible. Given the endowments and efficient allocation, it is been asked. So we can say that L1 R1, L2 R2, from left shoe from the first one, so left and right shoe from trader 1 and trader 2. Okay, so utility function u of Li comma Ri will be nothing but minimum usage of Li comma Ri. Okay, so if there are 5 pairs of shoes and 7 pairs, so 5 is the decider. Okay, so here in this case the lower one will be the decider, so u1 L1 comma R1 plus u2 L2 comma R2, this is equal to 99, and so in this given structure none of the option will hold it to above. So the only condition that here the trader should only equal to one left shoe will be left unused, hence none of the above is the answer. Okay, next 13. So a family and their children, very nice. A family has 2 children. And it is known that at least one of them is a girl. It's a good old probability question. What is the probability that both girls are given at least one of them is a girl? Okay, so 4 cases: boy boy, boy girl, girl boy, or girl girl. So in 3 cases we can have this thing. So where at least one is a girl and the only one in which both are girls. Okay, so 3 cases, at least one is a girl, so greater than one girl. So this is the denominator of the thing, and 1 case where both, so 1 by 3.33. Let's have a look. Yes, this is the answer. Next, okay, it is known that there is a rational number between any 2 distinct irrational numbers. Yes, and consider the continuous function f of 2r such that fx equal to sin x for every rational number x. If x is an irrational number, then which of these are true? Okay. So let the irrational number be z, or maybe q. And the sequence is of x1, x2, dot 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 xn, and obviously xn tends to x. Now the given structure is giving you limit n tends to infinity f of xn equal to f of x, and for continuous pattern, so now f of x equal to this, so f of x1 equal to sine of x1, f of x2 equal to sine of x2, and f of xn is sine of xn. So this thing is also applicable. Okay, now sine x is look like this. Okay, so obviously this is a continuous structure. Now here if we put the limiting value, limit n tends to infinity sine x of n, where n tends to infinity, so this is also giving us sine x, so fx equal to sine x directly is coming, so this is the answer.